Hello fishies! Today we are diving into my mermaid side once again. It's been a while since I've done mermaid content, so I thought what better time, it's the new year, so new mermaids and content. In today's video I'm doing a no-sew mermaid tail DIY challenge. So I came up with this method for making a mermaid tail without sewing. It doesn't even use glue. It's super easy, anyone can do it. All you need, some stretchy fabric, a Sharpie or some kind of marker, and a pair of scissors. You're probably like, how are you gonna make a mermaid tail without sewing it or gluing it? Well, keep watching so you can find out. It is time to answer the question, can I make a mermaid tail without sewing? I got this fabric from Walmart, 3 yards for $8, so that's a pretty good deal. I think it should be enough. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna fold it in half long ways, or hot dog style as we used to say in elementary school. Try to get it nice and flat and as wrinkle free as you can. Okay. Now, if I didn't already mention it, you're also going to need a monofin. So we're going to start by placing the monofin around the bottom. This is a super easy way to make a mermaid tail. Next, take my shoe socks off. You're gonna put your feet in the monofin. Then you're gonna trace your legs, laying down on it. Trace my legs. That's where the monofin would be. So we're going to trace the monofin. So now I've got my tail traced out. What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna basically draw a line kind of outlining it just a couple inches from the line that I initially did. It's time to get cutting. So you want a good pair of scissors. You want some good fabric cutting scissors. Let's see. These are the best scissors I could find in my house. Alright, these scissors aren't working. I'm gonna go look for another pair of scissors. Okay, I searched for a while. I tried a bunch of different scissors and then I found these ones which look like really good scissors. But they're not. They will get the job done though. It'll just be annoying. So I can't do big cuts. Do little cuts with just this part. So I got the whole thing cut out and that was hard. So I'm taking an energy drink break right now. Then I'm gonna get back to it. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your energy drink. Shake your energy drink. Okay, let's get back into it. So, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut slits from the end of it to where the line is. Maybe a little further in. Gonna need it a lot. And then can you guess where we're going with this? We're going to be tying these slits together. And when we turn it inside out, it'll be a fully enclosed mermaid tail. You can wear it like a glove. This is going to take a little while, and I think you get the idea, so I'm not going to film the rest of these cuts being made. I got the one side done, and that was a lot. I'm sore from the position I was like kneeling in. Okay, so now it's time to do the other side. Let's go.
He's like, let me in, pal, it's cold in there. It's cold out there.
Ah!
Whenever I would try to walk up to Harvey, he would do a big run.
Ah! Why run, Harvey? Why run?
He's like, who's gonna let me go in?
You have fun out there?
Yeah, and I noticed, I looked on the snow, and there's little paw prints in the snow. It's not Harvey's paw prints, though.
There's a lot of squirrel prints.
Some of them are a little too big to be squirrel prints, so I'm wondering if there's like a fox who decided to walk across the pond or something.
Could be. Spoon, no! No! No!
What if he didn't come?
No! Not on the mermaid tail! Shoot! Get off me, mermaid tail. I guess she's not really in the way.
You're so stinky wet.
What are you doing? That's my tail. Get it off. What, you want the Pop-Tart?
Kicking thing, right?
Why you do that? You know I'm gonna use that fabric, Rasputin. Don't mess it up. All the cuts have been made, now it's time to get naughty. Okay. So this might be a little tricky. So I'm gonna keep my foot here. Oh, I messed up. This is actually kind of difficult. Gonna double knot it. I take it back about this being an easy no-sew mermaid tail. This is difficult and kind of irritating. It's probably going to take a long time. Probably not as long as it would take to hand sew it. So if you don't have a sewing machine and you want to make a mermaid tail, this is an option. Or you could use like super glue or Gorilla Glue E6000. But this is also an option, but it's not the easiest one, I think. But I gotta carry on because I gotta see how this turns out. I gotta complete the challenge. So I'm gonna put on some YouTube videos and get this done.
I just need to make sure to keep the van warm, to ventilate it properly, especially in the mornings, to reduce condensation.
Okay, so I got one half of it done. Just gotta do the other side. But y'all, I'm kind of beat. I just had a sandwich and drank some of my energy drink, but it's uncomfortable crouching on the floor doing this. My body's hurt and I've been doing a lot of stretches. Okay, almost done. Just one more part to do and then we can see how it turned out. Hopefully it's not too bad and I'm gonna try it on and put on a mermaid ensemble and maybe do some photographs in it. Here's Rasputin. Hey, buddy. Done! Okay, let's hold it up. I am not feeling super confident. I don't know how well this worked out, but let's try it on. Turn it inside out. So it does have like, you can like see holes in the sides. kind of reminds me of a prom dress or like a tube top or something. Okay, so far so good. Oh no, popped out. I mean, you need to do something to make it like stay. But otherwise, I mean, it kind of worked. But I'm gonna alter the bottom. I'm gonna do some like knots in the corners, like at the end, so it'll kind of like stay like that. So, ta-da! I was going to use the remaining fabric to make a matching top, but that was a lot of work and I am so over it. So now I'm going to try it on. I'm going to get in my fishnet top, and I made it so Finn will actually stay inside. So yeah, let's do this. A little wonky, but there you go. Perfect for playing in. Make this for your kids, or just for fun. I think you could swim in this. I mean, technically you can swim in any material. It's just whether it's good for it or not. This material does feel very similar to like the swimsuit material that you would see on normal tails. Here comes my kitty. Hello. Say hello. Hello. Okay, I'm gonna take some photographs and then I will show you them. And then I will conclude this video. Time to do the mermaid scoot. I'm gonna be crazy and take some photos outside in the snow. Let's go. Cold. Cold, very cold. I hope the ground's not too mucky. Probably is. Okay, so I hate all of those pictures and this tail sucks and I'm kind of disappointed. It just, I mean, it was just a test, I was doing a little challenge. Not the nicest method for making a mermaid tail. It doesn't look great. The little tassels kind of stick out. You can also trim them. Also, the fabric I got is just very blah, like, especially in the sun, it just totally gets washed out. It's not very vibrant. That's just a problem with the fabric. You can also paint it with like fabric paint, or you could use puff paint to do like 3D scales. So yeah, this is definitely one crafty way to make a mermaid tail that you could try out and see if you figure out a better way to do it. Harvey wants to come outside. He's barking. Hold on. So is it the best way? No. But it is affordable. I only spent $8 on the material. I already had scissors and Sharpie, and I made all these accessories and the top. Check out the video on how I made this top. Anyway, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you'll all stay crafty and have a magical day. Bye bye.